Model examination, mark sheet also, and mark also all the papers. So some of you got very good marks, some of you what you are expecting. So if you are getting low mark, you don't bother about that. But even that mark is for teachers also. We are also known about that how we are giving coaching for you and covers your performance. So many of you are what you are expecting, you will get the mark. Some of you, those who are doing poor performance in the school, but you got more marks. So we also not able to identify how the coaching are, how the students, here you are getting low mark and there you are high mark, there low mark and here high mark, we don't know that. Anyhow, you no need to bother about that and that. Actually, we are not giving more importance to that mark because some problem is there in this mark. All they are getting what we are expecting, like that the mark comes means we will tell that the correction is correct only, but we are not able to give any judgment to that mark. Anyhow, coming Thursday, the question paper for model. Actually, there is no plan first to conduct any test for Thursday. Now we have planned to conduct the physics only because you know that the objective type this time the 4 ABCD 4 question paper. The bank under they will conduct that, you know that. Question paper will be all the question will be same only, but at the same time question you have changed that one. Like that the objective 1, 2, 3 here 30 objective. For here the from 15 will be that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30. Or from 20 it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that the question you have shuffle like that. Before that all the question paper will be the same question only. Anyone they are sitting in front of you sometimes any one or two questions the objective you don't know just you can see and you can find out the answer correct. But now for you some problem will be there. Sometimes centerpiece going to be remaining on you have written very well. 1 or 2 objective or anyone studying students are near there. If you want to ask means question only you have to tell question numbers should not. Thank you, sir. That will be lot of probability.